Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you use table salt to cure meat? There are several salts that are used to cure, or preserve, meat. Sodium chloride, ordinary table salt, is the primary ingredient, helping create an environment where bacteria cannot grow and removing moisture within. But other salts are needed to complete meat preservation. These salts are nitrates and nitrites. Can I use regular salt instead of curing salt? It can be done with simple sea salt, which also draws water out of the cells. The curing could be done with any kind of salt, but experts recommend avoiding iodized salt. While iodized salt would still have the preservation properties, the iodine it contains can give the cured meat an unpleasant taste. Can you use iodized salt for curing? You can use iodized, table, or sea salt, but there are additives in them to prevent sticking that can affect the curing process or leave sediment in your brine, i.e. pickles or pickled meats stored in brine.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.